Underwater holes, also known as blue holes or sinkholes, are some of the most mysterious and fascinating features of the ocean. These deep, circular depressions in the sea floor are home to a unique and diverse ecosystem of creatures, from ancient corals and sponges to massive sharks and rays. In this video, we will explore the world of underwater holes, from their formation to the creatures that call them home. Underwater holes are formed by a variety of geological processes, such as the collapse of limestone or the erosion of volcanic rock. As the sea level rises and falls over time, these depressions can become filled with seawater, creating a unique environment that is isolated from the rest of the ocean. Some underwater holes are also connected to underground caves or tunnels, creating complex and interconnected ecosystems. The creatures that live in underwater holes are some of the most unique and fascinating in the ocean. Many of these species are ancient and have been around for millions of years, adapted to survive in the isolated and extreme environment of the underwater hole. From massive groupers and barracudas to delicate sea fans and corals, the diversity of life in underwater holes is truly remarkable. Exploring underwater holes is not without its challenges. The depths and isolation of these features make them difficult to access, and the unique environment can be dangerous for even experienced divers. However, advances in technology and exploration techniques have allowed scientists to uncover new insights into the world of underwater holes, from the unique geological formations to the strange and wonderful creatures that live there. Underwater holes are not just fascinating to explore, but also play an important role in science and conservation. They offer a glimpse into the ancient history of the ocean, as well as insights into the evolution and adaptation of species. They also serve as important breeding grounds and habitats for a variety of marine life, and are therefore critical for conservation efforts. Scientists and conservationists are constantly studying underwater holes to better understand their unique ecosystems and to develop strategies for protecting and preserving them. From studying the genetics of the creatures that inhabit these environments to developing sustainable tourism and fishing practices, there is much work to be done to ensure the long-term health and survival of these important ecosystems. Underwater holes are a window into a world that is both mysterious and fascinating. From their unique geological formations to the diverse and remarkable creatures that call them home, these features offer a glimpse into the complex and interconnected web of life in the ocean. By studying and protecting underwater holes, we can gain a greater understanding of our planet's history and work to ensure its future. The oceans are home to a vast and complex ecosystem of bacteria, a tiny but essential component of marine life. In this video, we will explore the world of underwater bacteria, from their role in the ocean's ecosystem to the unique adaptations they have developed to survive in this challenging environment. Bacteria are ubiquitous in the ocean, and they play a crucial role in marine ecosystems. They are responsible for breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients, and they are essential to the food web that supports all marine life. There are many different types of bacteria in the ocean, from photosynthetic cyanobacteria to chemosynthetic bacteria that thrive in extreme environments like underwater vents. The ocean is a challenging environment for any organism, and bacteria are no exception. To survive in the harsh conditions of the ocean, underwater bacteria have developed a range of unique adaptations. Some have developed specialized cell walls that allow them to withstand high pressure and low temperatures, while others have evolved mechanisms to protect themselves from UV radiation or to access nutrients in low oxygen environments. Underwater bacteria are not just essential to the ocean's ecosystem, but also demonstrate the interconnectedness of all marine life. Bacteria are the foundation of the food web that supports everything from tiny plankton to massive whales, and they are also responsible for regulating the chemistry of the ocean. Without bacteria, the delicate balance of the ocean's ecosystem would be thrown into chaos. Unfortunately, the ocean's ecosystem and the bacteria that support it are facing a range of threats, from climate change to pollution and overfishing. These threats not only harm individual species but also have a ripple effect throughout the entire ecosystem. If we do not take action to protect the ocean and its inhabitants, we risk causing irreparable damage to this critical component of our planet's ecosystem. Scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly to better understand the role of bacteria in the ocean's ecosystem and to develop strategies for protecting and preserving it. From studying the genetics of underwater bacteria to developing sustainable fishing and tourism practices, there is much work to be done to ensure the long-term health and survival of the ocean ecosystem. Underwater bacteria may be tiny, but they play an essential role in the health and survival of the ocean's ecosystem. By studying and protecting these tiny organisms, we can gain a greater understanding of the complex web of life in the ocean and work to ensure its future. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, in the mysterious world of underwater holes, a unique and fascinating creature makes its home. The shark squid, also known as the longtail octopus, is a master of disguise and a formidable predator. In this video, we will explore the world of the shark squid, from its unique adaptations to its role in the ecosystem of underwater holes. The shark squid is a remarkable creature, with a body that is part octopus and part squid. Its long tentacles are studded with sharp, tooth-like structures that it uses to catch prey, while its large, complex eyes allow it to see in the dark depths of the ocean. The shark squid is also a master of camouflage, able to change the color and texture of its skin to blend in with its surroundings and evade predators. Underwater holes are unique environments that provide a refuge for a variety of marine life, including the shark squid. These holes are often formed by underwater caves or sinkholes and can reach depths of thousands of feet. The shark squid is able to navigate these treacherous environments with ease, using its long tentacles to cling to the walls and its sharp eyes to hunt for prey. The shark squid is a voracious predator, feeding on a variety of small fish and crustaceans. It uses its long tentacles to ensnare its prey, and its sharp beak to tear them apart. Its ability to change color and texture allows it to blend in with its surroundings and ambush unsuspecting prey. The shark squid is an important component of the ecosystem of underwater holes, playing a critical role in the food web that supports other marine life. Its ability to catch small fish and crustaceans helps to regulate their populations and prevent overfishing. The shark squid is also a source of food for larger predators like sharks and whales, which in turn helps to maintain a healthy balance in the ecosystem.